So I bought this condenser microphone from eBay for pretty cheap. The quality is not that bad. I'm not actually using it right now to record. Maybe I should. Let's just see. So, no, it's not. Okay. So this is the sound of the actual microphone as I'm standing maybe about a foot and a half away from it. When I bought it and I hooked it up, I'd get terrible interference. I'm recording through my cell phone for my channel most of the time. So basically, I was having a lot of interference. I tried some ferrite cord chokes to try to cut the interference that my cell phone was giving it. But I found a quick and simple solution to hacking that. Basically, while I record, I just turn my phone to airplane mode, and it stops all the cell phone interference. So if you bought a cheap condenser mic or whatever, and you're just trying to figure out how to make it work, this could work for you. It worked for me. You just got to remember to turn your phone back on to regular mode. That way you can receive your text messages, phone calls, and all that other crap. So hopefully you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll be posting content regularly, and see you soon.